Highlevel Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Now today I'm going to show you how we can add suggested products to e-com stores, like when you're selling online stuff. When someone's going to purchase, you want to add a section below where you can suggest other products so they can add those products to their cart, and of course you get more money. Okay, so let me show you how we can do that. Okay, firstly, if you don't know how to set up a e-com store in Highlevel, watch this video here. I've made a video already on that, so I'm gonna pretend like you know everything already in terms of that. So what you want to do is go onto stores. Let's go into your sub account and go to product details. Okay, once this is here, what you want to do is press this orange box and press show related products. Okay, now you can decide what products go into this. The way you do that, let's save this. So the way this works is that you need to add certain products into certain collections. Okay, let's create a collection. Let's call this example one. We can add a thing. So our first collection called example one. Let's go into products, and don't ask why I have a starfish sticker, but I do. I don't know, but here, let's say you're selling another sticker. You can add all the stickers that you sell into this collection called example one, and then only this collection will be shown with the product that they've clicked on. So let's add this product to example one. Let's add the mango sticker to example one collection and press save, and you know the rest. Say someone clicks on a sticker and they want to buy it, for example, and the related products, because we've now selected all the stickers in our product list into this one collection, only these products in that collection will be shown in the related products page. So let me show you that. So, this is a stupid example. I know this looks stupid, right? But let's say someone's going to buy an Apple sticker for £10 for some reason. You may also like his hair, and because I've added these two stickers into the same collection, they can now also add these. Okay, so that's basically how it works, and you can add it to your cart, then go to view cart, blah blah blah, and sort everything else out. If you want one-on-one tutoring with Highlevel, be sure to sign up to Highlevel through my link and get all these benefits here. It's the best affiliate program on the planet. It makes more sense to sign up with Highlevel without an affiliate link because it costs you nothing. So be sure to sign up and let me know once you've done so I can send you all the perks. That's just a quick one, how you're going to add suggested products to e-com stores. Any questions, let me know, and please like the video, it helps me out. Thank you.